my name is Isaac. Sorry, got something stuck in my throat. Yeah, welcome back to another video today. This is my second channel. I'm going to be doing my plot tour of spring 2019. This is what I have so far of my marketplace on Welcome to Bloxburg. Now, I'm sorry, I forgot to turn on the audio recording for this video. ScanGainYT and ATManay, they were talking in this video, but of course I forgot to turn on the sound, and I didn't get to record that, so this is just a terrible voiceover. That's why I did a voice crack at the beginning, because I'm an idiot. So yeah, anyways, today I have low self-esteem. I'm just kidding. No, this is a good build, I think, okay, but yeah, we're doing a tour of this so far. Oh yeah, it's gonna be kind of long. I'm gonna have to stall this because it's quite long. It's like 9 minutes for some reason. I guess we just talked a lot, but yeah, go subscribe to them. They're good channels, I guess. They make decent content. When I say decent, I mean bad. When I mean bad, I mean terrible. When I mean terrible, I mean great. I know, it's confusing. I don't even know anymore, because I'm not even trying at this point. But yeah, anyways, I'm sorry for being, so freaking sarcastic and down and, depressed. I'm just joking, okay? I don't know why I said that. It's just a thing. So, yeah, anyways, this is the video. This is what I have so far. This is my progress. This is a really failed video, but I'm just gonna play music because I'm too lazy to talk in this anyway. I don't have the time and patience to do every single detail. I'm not gonna elaborate on every single thing, but besides this, as you can see, the Redwood Cafe got reversed in, just regarding the direction of what side it's facing, either if it's facing the road or the marketplace. It's not the marketplace because I think that logically this makes more sense. So I mean, that's what I did. House review. Subscribatories, everyone. Woo! I'm gonna do that soon. I don't know what the woo was. The woo. Just enjoy the music and stay fantastic, and make sure to leave a like, leave a comment. Don't forget to kami ha. What the hell am I doing? I don't know. Just subscribe. This is already bad enough as it is.